The next problem. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram. To make it symmetric. Okay, see the diagram. See here. Okay, see this diagram. What is the question? In the given figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. See here. How can you complete in this diagram? See here, this is top. The same diagram you have to draw the bottom. That is a symmetric. That's it. Okay. See here. What is that? See in this one. Okay. See the diagram. See in this figure is complete diagram to make it symmetric. Everybody clear? So that's all. This is very easiest problem. The symmetric topic is very easy. See what is that? In this figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric means, see here, this is top. The same diagram you have to draw the bottom means you will get the full diagram. So in this figure is complete diagram to make it symmetric. Everybody clear? Okay. So see the next one. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Okay, draw the image. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. Okay, see the figure. See, this is L. See, what is the question? In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Okay, draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. Okay, how can you draw the symmetric diagram for in this one? See here. The rectangular triangle may be drawn as followed to make it symmetric. See here, how can you draw? See here also you can take the same thing. Okay, this is a question. L. Then you have to draw the symmetric. How can you draw the symmetric? See here the same thing. See. Okay. Okay, see in this side, left side, see the right side. Okay, see the left side and then right side. So this is the mirror line. So we can say that this one is a symmetric. Everybody clear? Okay, see here what is that? In the figure, L is the line of symmetric. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. So this is the given figure. So now you have to draw the symmetric means how can you draw it? The same thing you have to draw in this line. Another triangle you can make it, you will get in that one. That means the rectangular triangle may be drawn as follow to make it symmetric. Everybody clear? Okay. See the next one. See here, figures with two lines of symmetry. See here, first you see a rectangle. What is that heading? Figure with two lines of symmetry. See, take a rectangular sheet. That means you have to take a postcard. Okay. See here, let us consider this is a rectangular sheet. Okay. See. Okay. Take a rectangular sheet, fold it once lengthwise. So lengthwise means in that one. Okay, see here. I have to fold the paper lengthwise. Okay. So that one half fits exactly over the other half. Right. So is this fold a line of symmetry? This is symmetry? Yes. See here the same mirror line, it come from this side. So this is a symmetric. Okay, open it up now and again fold on its width in the same way. See here in this one. Okay, is this second fold also a line of symmetry? Yes, this is also the mirror concept. Okay, so do you find that these two lines are the lines of symmetry? Right, see here, these are all the symmetric. Everybody clear? Okay, see, take a rectangular sheet. The first you have to fold it once lengthwise. See here. so that one half is exactly cover the other half. Okay, see, open it up now. Again fold on its width in the same way. Is the second fold also a line of symmetry? Yes. So this is also a line of symmetry. Everybody clear? Okay. From the diagram we can say that, see here, you can take a rectangle paper. First you have to cut the lengthwise. Okay. And then see here. Okay. And then you have to cut the widthwise. See, do you find that these two lines are the lines of symmetric? Yes, these lines are symmetric. Everybody clear? Okay. See the next one. Yeah, cut out from double fold. See here. Yeah, cut out from double fold. See here. Take a rectangular piece of paper. See here. Okay. I have to take a rectangular piece of paper. Fold it once. Okay. And then once more. See here. Draw some design. I have to draw. See. Okay. Cut the shape. Now I have to cut the shape. See here. Okay, cut the shape. Unfold the shape. See here. Before unfolding, try to guess the shape. You are likely to get which shape? Anybody guess? See, this is semicircle. Okay. Now I have to unfold the paper. What will you get? See here. See, what will you get? Circle. And then see here, you will get the two circle. Everybody clear? See, what is that? First I have to fold in this paper. Again I have to fold. Then draw some design. I have to draw the semicircle. Cut the shape drawn and unfold the shape. So before unfolding, try to guess the shape you are likely to get. So this is a semicircle, but you are open for in that one you will get the circle. Okay, again you have to open it for in that paper, you will get the two circle. Okay, see here. How many lines of symmetric does the shape have which has been cut out? See here, 1 in this 2, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see, I have to see the, sorry, you see the next one. Take the another paper. So fold it once, then once more I have to fold. Draw some design. See here, I have to draw the triangle. See here. Okay. Now cut the shape drawn. See here, I have to cut the shape. Before unfolding, try to guess the shape you are likely to get. Which shape? See here, you will get, what is that? Square. Okay, see this? This is the diamond shape, but properly you have to cut, you will get the square shape. Okay, see here, everybody clear? Okay, suppose you have to take another shape. See here, I have to cut in this shape, means what will you get? See in this one, see now. So which shape? Anybody guess? See here, you will get rectangle. Okay, see here, you will get two rectangle shape. Everybody clear? Okay, so create more such design. See the shapes. Okay, everybody clear? So what is that? So take a, once again I have to recall one example. See here, a cutout from double fold. That means take a rectangular piece of paper, fold it once, okay, and then one more you have to fold, draw one figure. That means design. This is the semicircle I have to draw, okay, and this one, cut the shape of drawn, I have to cut in this shape. See here, which shape you got it? Circle. Okay, see in this one, which shape you got it? That means you got the two circle. Everybody clear? Okay, create more such design. See the shapes. Thank you.